Managing leads with your pipelines helps you be efficient and organized, so we've integrated the prospecting tool with it, allowing you to directly add leads to your pipelines at the moment of creation. Let's learn how to use it. Head to the Prospecting tab inside the Marketing section and click Plaid Prospect. Use the search bar or enter the information manually to add your prospect. Check the box next to Add to Pipeline, then select the pipeline and stage they should be added to. Click Add Prospect to generate the report and add the customer to your pipelines. Handle progress stages directly within your pipeline, removing the need for manual work while granting you access to automation and reporting features for your prospects. This feature helps you create a smooth, streamlined path for reporting leads, treating them like any other in the system, and granting you access to the communication and reporting features you're used to without manual intervention. We hope you enjoy it.